Let's start connecting the audio decoding box. First, install the fiber cover to the fiber plug of the original car. Then connect the original fiber optic plug to the orange bridge connection plug. Then, the other end plug of the orange bridge connection is connected to the back of the black male of the new power harness. Then the black head of the new power harness is connected to the CD host. Then connect the female of the new power harness to the CD power plug of the original car. Now, the CD host is plugged into the original position to ensure that the orange bridge connection plug is sufficiently far away. Then connect the two corresponding plugs on the decoding box. Orange bridge plug connection decoder box. Then connect the decoding box on the new power harness to supply the plug. Then we find the back of the car. Pry open the left panel of the rear tail box, and the TV module host can be found in it. This is the TV fiber plug that we need to pull out the back of this power plug. Then install a fiber cap to the TV fiber plug, and then connect an orange short wiring plug. Now our Android system is no sound output. We enter the original car system, set up a decoding box, select the top of the video, then select the TV can be. Then long press the screen to re-enter the Android system. Into the music player can play wonderful songs.